How to fix Huawei mobile phone video recording not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And then again click on apps. And then scroll down and open camera. Now here you can see the option force stop. Now force stop your camera. After force stop your camera, then click on storage. Now here you can clear your camera cache memory. After clear your camera cache memory, then open camera. And on top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it. And then scroll down in last, and here you can see the option restore defaults. Now click on it and then again click on OK. After restore defaults, then open setting again and then scroll down in last and then click on system and updates and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.